If you cannot fly in the open category, you will need to use the specific one. There are 4 ways to get an authorization from your National Aviation Authority. The first one is the standard scenario with a C5 or C6 Mark drone. It adds some operational limitation and technical requirements on the drone you are using. Then you have the PDRA, which stands for Predefined Risk Assessment. It allows you to do some simple operation. It is the case with the PDRA J03, which might be useful for you if you are using the Helios 3, because it allows you to fly within 30 meters of assets. Then you have the SORA methodology. It's a risk methodology to prove to your Civil Aviation Authority that you will conduct your operation safely. The last one is the LUC, which stands for Light UAS Operator Certificate. It's a certification given by your National Aviation Authority which grants you, for example, the power of self-approve your operations.